Hey there. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create an Airtable base. First, open your Airtable homepage. You'll see your workspaces and any bases you've already created. In the lower left corner of the screen, you'll see a button that says plus. Create, go ahead and click that. Once you do, a window appears. This is where you choose which workspace your new base will live in. At the top of this window, you'll see a workspace selector. Click on it and pick the workspace where you want to create your base. If you only have one workspace, it might already be selected. After you've selected your workspace, you'll see options for how you want to create your base. You'll typically see three choices here: start from scratch, start with templates, and build with AI. Templates give you pre-built structures you can customize, and the AI option lets you describe what you need and generates a base for you. For this tutorial, we'll go with start from scratch. Click on start from scratch. This creates a completely blank base that you can customize however you need. Your new base opens up automatically. At the top of the screen, you'll see a field where you can name your base. Click into that field and type in a name that describes what you'll use this base for. Something clear and specific helps you find it easily later. Once you've typed the name, just click outside the field or press enter to save it. Your base is now created and saved in your workspace. You'll see it starts with one default table that's completely empty. From here, you can start adding fields by clicking the plus icon next to the existing column headers. Each field can be customized to hold different types of data, text, numbers, dates, attachments, whatever you need. You can also add more tables to your base by clicking the plus add or import option near your table tabs. The base auto-saves as you work, so any changes you make are saved instantly. Your new base lives in the workspace you selected, which means anyone with access to that workspace can collaborate on it with you. You can access your base anytime from your Airtable homepage. It'll appear in the workspace you selected, along with any other bases in that workspace. Thanks for watching.